Hey guys, my name is Michael, and today we're going to be doing a nature scavenger hunt. Scavenger hunt, we have to find 4 different flowers. This is one. And I forgot what it's called. Pink flower. Something I found is a dandelion, yellow flower. This other flower I found is a white flowering bush. This is one, and we found a tree, Bumpy Bark. We also found some vinca flowers. They're purple, and yeah. Here's a close-up look at them. On one of these drainage pipes, I found green moss, which is one of them, and it's nice and soft, fuzzy. My dad can have a close-up look. I found another one of them, which is a nice smooth rock. One of our scavenger hunt things are 3 types of birds, and there is a wild peacock somewhere in this community. Maybe in this video we'll see it.
While we were out, we actually found a peacock in the backyard.
Hey guys, so I have to be really quiet because if you guys didn't know, ducks actually count as birds, and one of them are 3 types of birds. Peacock is a bird, which is one of them, and we have 3 different types of ducks down there. My dad's going to go really quiet. I'm going to stay up here. So I found a huge spider web that's in this old stump. So it's right up here. If my dad can get up on that. It's right up in there. The last part of the scavenger hunt was to find a feather. We found a fallen feather because a bird was flying by and it dropped into our backyard. So here's it. Okay. I don't know what bird it was, but we found a feather. It looks like a crow or whatever. But see you guys in the next video. Bye!